Hi everyone, this is a brief tutorial on how to use the HP1662 series logic analyzer save features, or they call it store and load. So once you make your, you set up your format and your waveform in your logic analyzer, what you can do is you can go to System, go to hard disk or flexible disk. It doesn't matter, but the flexible disk is the floppy disk drive. So if that doesn't work on your system, well, then you can't use it. So from there, you'll end up in a menu like similar to this. Personally, I have my chips stored in separate folders. In order to make folders, you can go to here and then go to make directory. In this instance, I've already gone ahead and made a new chip that I don't have. So I made a 74139 dual 2 to 4 line decoder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here so I can save it. I can see I don't have it. Alright. Now, I don't want to store everything. You don't get a whole lot of space on this hard drive, so you want to be kind of sparing. So I'm going to select Analyzer to save. It's important that you do not run any tests on the machine beforehand, otherwise it'll save your data and you'll get a much bigger file. So I'm going to name the file 74139. Done. And then what is it? I have a keyboard down here. So dual 2 to 4 decoder. And this is just the description of your file. It's just useful if you're looking for it, and it's always nice to have a neat little explanation of what you're doing. After you got your name done, you would just select execute, continue, and it'll save. As we can see, now we have our LS139 there. So once I'm all done, let's say I want to load a new chip that I'm working on. We'll go to load, and using the dial, or I think if you have a touch screen it's different. Should be similar to other models, but I'm not quite sure. Let's say I need to work on a 245. From there, I would just go to execute. It doesn't take that long to load. From there, I can go back to Analyzer, and I can see that my format for this has been loaded. So that's a lot less in terms of setup for the system. Well, I hope you guys found this useful. I really do like this machine a lot. It's a lot better than those USB ones that you can buy on eBay for under $50. These machines are well worth the price. I think I paid $50 for mine plus shipping, which is a pretty big device. But anyway, have a good one.